How's it going, everybody? Cartha here. Welcome back to Pokemon Freedom. Unfortunately, once again, I have not had a lot of time to work on this project, so I'm here just to fulfill my promise of trying to keep at least one video a month, and we has become very close to the end of February, so figured I would go ahead and just do a short update. I haven't really done anything apart from updating one little annoyance, which was, if you remember, the switching made the characters rotate back towards the forward of the world. I has fixed that. I think Golduck was still running with his fists closed last time, so I've changed his, actually I changed both. He's, maybe not. Thought I might have changed his walk animation, but I didn't. But I did give him a jump and a landing. And if we speed run over to the water, he also has a dive and just a little swimming animation. Well, not complete swimming, more just floating. So with that, I both have swimming and flying working the same, although he does clip into the ground at the moment. Right, and a little bonus thing for the water Pokemon is they can jump a lot higher from within water than other Pokemon. I jumped once too many. We jump out. I love that. So what I've done with these animations, if we jump just into the scene, fly over here. So that's where the bottom of the transform is. I don't know if it would work here. Nope, no it won't. When he jumps into the water, just jump in, jump. I have to physically jump because falling doesn't work. And float upwards. We shall see that he himself has actually gone down and his normal height for the transform object itself stays at the same point pretty much. So when he jumps out, he actually gains a lot more height than he technically does. If that makes sense at all. It just looks really nice. So the water is all nice and floaty. Go down, go up. It doesn't. If you look over here at the Y value, it just steadily decreases, increases, and that is now the same for the flying as well. We switch over because they used apart from taking off, that was just immediate. But I switched that over to make it so both swimming and flying use the same piece of code, because it's basically jump to go up and then the down button to go down. So that's nice. But I mentioned in the last video as well that I might work on the tech stuff next. I would like to, if I can. I have no idea how to fix the wing spasm yet. I might have a thing to do it, but I've got to still look into it. But we shall see in the future. Otherwise, I don't know what I'm going to do with that. But yeah, I would like to work on the dialogue system if I can. And I've sort of recently found out that I kind of just need to really break this down into smaller parts. Because I don't have a lot of time in a single day to be working on this. Although hopefully sometime next month, actually it's probably in a month's time now, I would actually be leaving the job I'm currently at and sort of replacing it for a different one. And that will allow me to have my weekends back, which will be just fantastic. The other thing I sort of hinted at, I said it, was the attacks are in the game. I think I'm just going to leave them out for a little while. They're necessary, but they're not completely necessary at the moment. And also I just have that ties in with AI, so if I could maybe do both of them at the same time or really close to each other, that'd be great. I also think that would just work out better overall. So yeah, swapping's working fine. That hasn't, apart from my little tweak here, which, to be honest, that doesn't really matter too much that I fix that, because most swapping would probably happen off camera or in the darkness. Oh, that's the cube up the top there. In the darkness when the screen's black. Or there'll be some other weird transition which wouldn't be built in yet. So yeah, I believe my target will be trying, for the next month at least, would be to probably get a very basic node-based system, sort of similar to what this is, for the setting up all the talking stuff. There is a system that people have already made online, and in a previous project I worked on for uni, that one of my friends also made one as well, so I can take inspiration from them, which I think I will definitely do, because there's certain functions that I would like to have in my own little system here, so I can add them in and adjust things. Apart from that, that's pretty much all I wanted to go over today. I'm a little all over the place. It's very late, and I sort of need to get this up. I wanted to get this up today, but wasn't able. All the damn recording is. So yesterday, when this goes up, I just didn't end up getting the time. So yeah, I believe that was everything I wanted to just keep you guys up to date on. And then if I can get this talking system out really quickly, or a simple version of it really quickly, I would definitely like to show you guys the beginnings of that as quick as I can. So the sooner the better, otherwise I will be seeing you about this time in March, which would not be too fantastic, and not too fantastic. That's not the words that I want, but they will do. Anyway, sorry for the sort of lack of update once again, but it is what it is. As I said, this year is going to be busy for me, so I will try my best, and I will be just doing the best I can to even just get small little updates like this out more regularly, or sticking to at least once a month. Although I have a bit of a deadline on myself now that I literally have a month to get the next one out. Anyway guys, that is all for today. Hope you enjoyed this little update. If you did, please feel free to stick around and see some more. And I shall hopefully see you guys sooner rather than later. But until next time guys, bye!